Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. The Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium, right? This is a planetarium. Science and technology. Sun, moon, and the click. Wow. Auditorium. Vishveshwara Auditorium. Wow. Science action. Getting the India up to the scientific knowledge. Science in action, science on exhibition. 28th to the 30th. Yeah. Science in action. Exhibit starting today here at the CV Vishveshwara Auditorium. Beautiful. Right opposite. This is the Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. Wow. As you can see just there. Right. Wow. Smart city, Bangalore. There we go. The proof I was here. Fabulous. The moon planetarium. The old planetarium, friends. The old planetarium. The aliens are here, including one that just landed this morning. Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. Bangalore City Corporation that established and there's students coming through the science and technology. Science in action. Solace to solution, these kids from India. I hope they focus on their education, focus on finding solutions to the next generational problems rather than getting drunk like elsewhere in the world. We need to make sure that our planet, this is Darwin, what's he doing? Oh, is it no Einstein, is it? Who is this? Wow, that's a fascinating piece of work of art. You can still imagine, right? Just by few elements, few components of Darwin's face. No, what am I talking about? Einstein. Who is it? Is it Einstein? Do I know who this is? Which face looks so familiar? Even with a bit of shadow of, ooh, not far to go now. Wow, wow, wow. That's how mesmerizing planetary system our existence. It's so, that's what happens. Rotating, spinning. Need a bit of oil, folks. It's all by wind.